In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact. A contact. We'll do this directly inside Gmail, using the built-in contacts panel on the right side of your screen. This is a quick, reliable way to remove a contact from your Google account so it stops appearing in autocomplete and won't sync to your other devices. I'll walk you through what to click, what you'll see, and a couple of helpful checks to keep things smooth. First, open the Contacts sidebar. On the far right of your Gmail inbox, you should see a narrow vertical panel with a few app icons. Look for the blue Contacts icon, it looks like a person on a card, and click it. If you don't see that panel at all, try clicking the small arrow in the bottom right corner of Gmail to expand the side panel. You can also maximize your browser window if your screen is very narrow, because the panel can hide on smaller displays. Once you click the Contacts icon, a panel will slide open, showing your contacts list. Now select the contact you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search field at the top of the panel to find it quickly. Click the contact to open a detail view right within the panel. You'll see information like the name and any associated email addresses or phone numbers. At the top of this detail window, locate the trash bin icon. Click the trash bin to delete the contact. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm the deletion. That's it. Your contact is now removed from Google Contacts, which means it won't show up in Gmail suggestions, and it will also disappear from other devices signed into the same account. If you change your mind immediately after deleting, watch for a brief undo option that appears at the bottom of the screen. Clicking undo will restore the contact right away. If the trash bin icon isn't available, you might be viewing a directory entry provided by your organization or a read-only contact pulled in from another source, which can't be deleted from this panel. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account by checking your profile photo in the top right corner, especially if you manage multiple accounts. To recap, open the right side contacts panel, click the contact you want to remove, and then click the trash bin icon in the contacts detail view to confirm deletion. This quick cleanup helps keep your address book accurate and your email suggestions clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a reminder while you're doing it yourself.